Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, it is holiday season, and welcome to my first video of this holiday season. I'm gonna be making me a nice good chicken stock right here for my dressing. Got me a whole chicken that I'm gonna get cut up and washed up, cleaned up. I'm gonna be using certain parts of it, so I'll do that and then I'll be back. Alrighty guys, so this is how I have it set up right here. I got the backbone and two thighs and the rib bone after I removed the two breasts, onions, green bell pepper, celery. I'm just going to put this in the oven uncovered 375 for about 40-45 minutes, and this is how they came out right here. Got a nice little brown color on it, vegetables nice and roasted. And I'm going to discard that liquid because I don't want any excess grease inside of my stock, so I'm going to discard that liquid. I'm going to put this inside of the pot, and guys, I do make sure that I cook this completely done in the oven first. That way when I add my water, I can season it and I could taste my water without having to worry about any kind of contamination or anything like that. So you want to roast this until it's completely done. Then you could just add it to your pot, and we're gonna let that simmer for about 2 hours because I'm not making a real big pot of this, guys. So I just went on ahead and added it to my pot right here. Then I'm gonna come in and add some water inside of it. I want to bring that water all the way up to the top of this pot if I'd ever come in and add the water to it. Alright, so we're going to get all of that in. And I still could use a little bit more, so I'm going to get a little bit more of this water. And then what happened is I ended up wasting it, so I had to go back and get a little bit more. And then I finally topped it off. Now I'm just going to season this up with a little coarse black pepper here. And I'm going to add me some onion powder. You want to make sure your stock is seasoned well, guys, because you want to make sure that your dressing is having a nice flavor. And we're going to use this for my gravy also. So you want to make sure that gravy has a nice flavor on it also. So definitely season your stock nice and good. And I'm just going to come in here with my spoon and give this a little mix. Trying to get all of my chicken powder dissolved here. And then what I did is I gave it a little taste, and it definitely wasn't where it needed to be. So I'm going to come back in here and I'm going to add me some more of this chicken powder in here. And guys, like I said, make sure that your chicken is roasted until it's completely done before you come in here tasting this. I don't want anyone to get sick and then telling me, oh, it's cooking with Kenny's fault. No. So I added a little bit more bouillon powder and black pepper, and now I'm just going to cover this thing and let it simmer for about 2 hours or so. And then this is what I have right here. It's a nice beautiful stock. I'm going to come in with my spoon here, and you can see it's basically nice and clear, nothing off-putting in it, and not real cloudy or anything like that. But I am going to strain it, guys. You can tell this chicken is done. You can see how it breaks just like that, and when I flip it over, it just falls apart. So that let me know that that's simmered nice and long enough. So all I'm going to do is cool this down completely. I don't like pouring out hot liquid, guys, because of that steam. I don't want to get burned. So I just cooled it down completely, strained it, and it's going to go in the refrigerator overnight because I'm going to be using it really soon to do my dressing, which you'll see that video on Sunday. So that's it. If you're going to be making this ahead of time, you can definitely cool it down, put it in freezer safe containers, and then just have it ready whenever Thanksgiving rolls around. You don't have to worry about making your stock. Alrighty guys, so there's nothing to taste test with this, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video tomorrow. Peace.